Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your real name and then also hide it on your PlayStation 4. So this is very easy. So if I go up to the top, go to settings right here and select this. I want to go to account management. Then under here, I want to go to account information. Then you might have to type in your email address and password at some point in time. Your email address will be auto-populated right here. Then it'll say please wait, and it might take about 10 to 15 seconds to load. Then we want to scroll on down to where it says profile. Change your publicly displayed profile on PlayStation Network. And the first option is real name. Change your real name, first and last name. So let's go to this. And you can see I have Timbo in here. And then also my last name is Slicin'. So change your first name, your last name, and go to confirm. Now if you want to hide your first name from everyone, anyone who is a close friends with you will see your real name. Then everyone else will only see your PlayStation Network ID. So only people who are sharing the real name, like this person right here, him and I are sharing close friends. You can see their gamer tag and then their real name right there. So this person also, you can see their real name and then their PlayStation ID below. So my real name is shared with them also. So what I want to do to hide it is to go to their name and then delete them as a friend, and then re-add them back to my PlayStation just as a regular friend. So there is no option to go from a close friend to a just regular friend on here unless you remove the friend first. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.